Welcome to Sonia's Cooking Corner. Today I'm going to teach you how to make office mac and cheese. To begin, we're going to put 8 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, 32 ounces of pasta, 5 minutes on the Instapot. The pasta is ready now. So let's go ahead and add the butter. Start, we're going to add 2 big spoons of cream cheese, our 4 cups of cheddar cheese, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of milk. Season to taste, so I'm adding some garlic salt. So now it's ready and we're gonna serve it and top it off with some crushed Ritz crackers. Thank you for watching Sonia's Corner, and comment below for what you would like to see next.